What's up, YouTube? Today I received this tool. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this one is LCD opening pliers. So basically, I will take with your iPhone, even any different phone. Let's check it out. So squeeze them in. Wow, that was crazy. Really cool. Let's try it again. It's my dummy iPhone for training. We go with it again. All good. And we have different parts, more bigger. How to change them? Let's take a look. Or is they just untwist? Go ahead, put different ones. They're in. Basically, this piece goes in the middle. And now we place iPhone. Squeeze it in. Let's try to do it slowly this time. We see how it lifts. So basically you can rip ribbons. Let's try it again. But let's try to do it slowly. Alright, it is in. Place an iPhone. It's like sucking good. Maybe hold it more. And let's lift it again. Very interesting. Let's try it on Galaxy 6. So this was the tool. LCD open pliers. Works good for me. Still need practice because you can rip the flex cables. Very powerful. Click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.